4in1. Includes 3 inserts, stove, wok, and reversible griddle, grill, for multiple cooking options. Cooking power. Up to 7,000 total BTUs. Cooking area. 100 square in. Portable design with easy setup. Removable legs and cooktop inserts fit inside inverted wok for easy storage. Locking latches secure contents in transit. Easy to clean. Water tray catches cooking grease. Push-button ignition. For matchless lighting. Fuel. 16.4 ounces propane cylinder sold separately. 3 year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Cooks great and fast cleanup. I purchased this 4-in-1 grill for camping in the White Mountains of NH. We had 4 campsites with 8 people total. Everyone brought their own grill. Well, only one grill out of the 4 we had on the campsites were used regularly, and it was the Coleman 4-in-1 grill. The reason was because it cooked fast and even and went from griddle for breakfast to grill for lunch and dinner. We also used the wok for vegetables and rice. It cleaned up in a snap. Put the recommended water in and you will be rewarded with the ease of cleaning. Also, I don't know how, but this grill worked all weekend on one 16 ounces propane canister. Breakfast, lunch and dinner for 2 days. The Coleman 4-in-1 grill was a big hit.